Hi folks, Darren here with SOVA. We are going to go through a quick video today of how to download and install the SOVA mobile application. So we have our mobile device open. This is the Kyocera DuraForce, which I know a lot of our clients are currently using. We're going to go ahead and click this app button down here at the bottom center. That'll take us into this screen. The app that we're looking for is called Play Store. It looks just like this. So we're going to click that. That'll launch the Play Store. We're going to go up here in the Play Store, we're going to type out SOVA Guard Tracker, and that's what we're going to search for. Go ahead and hit enter. It should show up right here. So we're going to click that, click install, and I'm going to go ahead and allow this to install, and I'll be right back in a minute. You want to go ahead and accept all of these permissions. So once you click accept, it'll go ahead and start downloading, and I'll be right back. Alright folks, I'm back. The app is installed and it's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click open right here. This will open and launch the app, and it'll bring up the end user license agreement. You can go ahead and read the master SaaS agreement and the privacy policy by clicking either one of these links. I'm going to go ahead and click I agree, and then it takes us to our activation screen. This is where you're going to enter the activation ID that's been provided to you in an email once you signed up with SOVA. Hopefully you have that. If you don't, go ahead and get a hold of us by sending an email to info@sovasystems.com. and we'll go ahead and send that information out to you. So I'm going to pause one more time. I'm going to go ahead and enter an activation code for our test property here, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I went ahead and entered our activation ID to take us into our test location. And what will happen is the device will go ahead and take a couple of seconds to sync, grab all the data from the web, sync into the device, and providing you have a good Wi-Fi connection or a cellular connection, it should only take just a few seconds. All right, so here we are. We're at the login screen, and we're ready to go. We're ready to log in and begin our tours. Okay, so let's look at one other thing. So we just recently released an app update to SOVA. So I sent information out on the website mentioning that the app has been updated, and hopefully your devices should automatically update. But in some cases they don't. For whatever reason, people change the settings. Maybe the device wasn't on Wi-Fi, so it missed the update. The way that you can check to see if any updates are available is to go back into the Play Store. So we're going to go down here to this app button again. We're going to click that. We're going to go ahead and click Play Store one more time. Now when you load Play Store, it'll probably load back to this main screen here, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click these three horizontal lines up here at the top left, and that takes us into a menu. What we're looking for is My Apps and Games, which is right there at the top. You're going to click that. Now, if there is an update available for SOVA, it will show right here in this top section where it says Updates Pending. Currently, I have an update available for Zello, but no update for SOVA because I just installed it. But this is where SOVA would show up if there was an update available. You can go ahead and click refresh, and if you want to go ahead and update all your apps that are shown here, and hopefully it shows up there. If it doesn't show up there for whatever reason, we can investigate further. But more than likely, that's where it'll show up, and you can just go ahead and simply click the update button, and it'll update for you. All right, folks, that's all I wanted to talk about. We will talk to you soon.